Venus presents How to Dermaplane at Home. Seeking a megawatt glow? Venus for facial hair and skincare with Olay takes you there in one gentle, derm-tested regimen. Step 1, cleanse. A clean canvas gets you primed for a super smooth session. Using a cotton pad or facial cloth, apply cleansing primer to your face. It's got cucumber, aloe, and niacinamide, and instantly sweeps away dirt, oil, gunk, and makeup. Step 2, smooth and exfoliate. Your facial razor is your key to unlocking your glow. Our Skin Defense Guard and special rounded tip keep things nice and gentle. Holding your skin taut with one hand, gently glide the razor over your skin at a 45-degree angle. Using short strokes, go with your hair growth. This instantly removes facial hair, grime, and dead cells for smooth, glowing skin. Step 3, hydrate. Round out your facial with soothing hydration. Smooth a thin layer of hydration serum over your face. It's got hyaluronic acid, aloe, witch hazel, and niacinamide. Basically, skin's best friend. Step 4, re-up. Our refills keep the glow going in a literal snap. When you're ready for a fresh blade, hold the sides of the blade between head and handle. Pull the head away from you, then click on the new head with a push. Step 5, recycle. When it's time, just remove the head and recycle your packaging and bottles according to local guidelines. Yay! Now go forth and enjoy your literal glow up. My skin, my way. Venus.